the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So today I have a very fun game for you. It is called the wishing well. Now in the wishing well, you're supposed to flick a coin into and then with that fountain you make a wish. So hope you guys enjoy the game and we'll get started in just a moment. So for this game, you're only gonna need a few household items. You're gonna need a big tub. So it could be like a solid bowl, a small little Tupperware bowl. It could be a cup, anything that'll float. And about 5 to 10 bottle caps. That's completely up to you. And then we'll get started. So what I'm going to recommend for you is if you have a younger child, just go and take about 3 steps from wherever you have your bowl. You're going to go like 1, 2, 3, and that's where the students are going to be able to flick from. If you have an older child, I would maybe do about 5 steps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, make a spot, and that's where they're going to be flicking it. Their job is to flick the bottle cap and land it successfully inside of the bowl. So I'm going to get one and do 10 tries. Just so you have an example. So flick, and again, this would be as if you're making a wish, okay? So every time you make it in, you get one of your wishes will come true, okay? So we're gonna do a 1-minute challenge of this, and then I'm gonna see how many bottle caps I can get in there. After I flick all 10, if I still have more time, I'm gonna grab them all and I'm gonna do this again, okay? Go ahead and take the 1-minute challenge, and hopefully I get some of these bottle caps in there. Again, this is called the wishing well. I'm going to go and put my timer on, starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and go. Oh, off the rim. That's 1. That's 2. Go too hard. Oh, almost off the bank. Let my cat keep going. So far I have 2 in. 3. 4. Time is up. So I was able to get 3 wishes actually made. So I hope you guys enjoy this game. Again, this game is called Wishing Well. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Take care until next time.